Nagpapadali ako, may kagalis pa ako.
Ang tunay na ininyero'y handang tumulong. Hindi lang sa paggagawa ng gusali, kundi sa pagbuo rin ng kapwa. Oy. Okay. Okay na. Parang coffee ka.
Salamat.
Yan. Sa lahat ng oras ay nadadapa tayo. Kaya piliin natin maging matulungin. Sa simpleng pagtulong, kapantay nito ang pagseserbisyo. Dahil sa uli, tao at tayo pa rin ang magtutulungan. Keep safe! Okay na.
Oh, bagsak ka na naman.
Excellence doesn't guarantee that you will be the best, but it certainly makes you a better version of yourself. Kasi it's not about them, but it's all about you and your characteristic as a journey.
Ika nga nila, truth is being honest and fair in everything we do. Being honest is the reflection of our justified self. Dahil kung tunay ka o totoo ka, hindi mo kailangan magpanggap. Ipakita mo lang kung sino ka talaga. And that's you. It will lead the way to the right thing you must do.
Set, go!
Salamat!
Uy! Yan, 1, 2, 3, go. One, two, three, go.
Uy, si Princess, gagawa na. Ganda naman. Individual yan.
Hindi, by group to. Papasok ko na ito ngayon.
Okay, Inan. Good luck.
Thank you!
Good afternoon po, sir. Ito na po yung project namin ng group.
Thank you po.
Integrity. Ayan ang paggawa ng tama kahit walang nakakakita. At kahit mag-isa ka pa, tapat ka pa rin because you have a solid foundation of morality and that's what makes you a great person.
Go. Go. Okay, go.